always looking for healthy laundry soaps that don't have a lot of chemicals in it. And I came across this brand, it's called True Earth. And these are actually laundry detergent sheets. They're actually just these little sheets, and they just fit like you just, what I do is I start running my water, and then I put them in the bottom of my washing machine. You can use them, they'll work for hot water or in cold water, either way. If you have a full load, you would want to use the whole sheet. If it's a small load, you can see where it's just divided in the middle. You just rip it apart and use half of it for a smaller load. This is like a fresh linen scent, so it smells really clean. But I like that it actually does clean my clothes. When they come out, you can just tell they smell fresh and clean, and you don't feel like they were half washed. And then I also like that these will put in a baggie, and I can take them with me when I travel. If you need something for the car, it's easy just to get a baggie, put one of these in it, put a little water, and you can clean up any messes or anything. So super nice to carry with you. But I've been very satisfied with them, so I just thought I would show you what they look like. If you're wanting something healthy for your laundry, I don't want to have a lot of chemicals in my laundry soap, so these have been wonderful. I'd say just give them a try and see what you think.